So after doing dryer vent for the past 10 years, there are only a few pieces of equipment that I would highly recommend for you to keep your house safe from a dryer fire. Number one is the most important. And that is going to be this Dryer Flex UL listed transition vent. These ones are flame resistant, crush resistant, and they keep their shape much better than the plastic foil vents. That's the easiest thing and the first thing I recommend changing at every house that I go to. And if you have the plastic foil vent, change it immediately because they are not safe. Now, the next thing is gonna be depending on where your vent goes out. So if your vent goes to the roof, most houses are gonna have one of these roof jacks. These are really bad. They're crimped together. A lot of air gets out, moisture gets in. They start to fall apart. The damper gets bent and doesn't keep panels out as much. So the ones that we sell are these ones. So I'll leave a link down below. These ones are one piece of metal painted so they won't rust. And then the damper is much better. So even the smartest squirrels or mouses can't get in there. When the dryer is on, it's wide open. When it's closed, it is shut. Next is if your vent goes out the side of your house. Most people are going to have the plastic louvers, and those start to deteriorate over time. Animals can get in there, and it will affect the airflow of the dryer. So the ones that we sell are these ones. It's one piece, not three. There's a little magnet in there, so when the dryer is on, it's wide open, perfect airflow, and when it's closed, it's literally impossible for any animal to get in there because it's sealed with those magnets. But the magnets aren't strong enough to keep it closed when the dryer's on, so you'll still have amazing airflow. Next is if you are having problems with birds and you can't change the wall vent, I would recommend one of these. These are to keep birds and large animals out of your vent. It won't keep like lizards or bugs and stuff out, but the holes are big enough so that it won't get clogged. You do not want like a mesh screen like this one has. That'll get clogged immediately. So this will go over and it will keep most big animals out. I usually install these if it's like up like on the second story because birds use the lint as nesting material. So they will go in there. And this one's easy to clean because this top piece opens up and then you can open it up and clean it. Or if you need to clean your dryer vent on the outside, you can do that. So these are all of the professional equipment that I would recommend. Also, it's very important to clean your dryer vent. So if you want to learn how to clean your dryer vent and inside your dryer, check out this video over here. And then also, I will leave links to all of these products that are available in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.